Well, good morning, everybody. How y'all doing? It's Jesse and Jesse. The lazy days ahead. Lisa's not here. That's Mom's dog, Zephyr. But when they show you guys, I'm over here at my mother-in-law's, and she said, well, my vacuum cleaner's not working. So I'm going to attempt to take this thing apart to see if I can figure out what the problem is. I ain't saying I'm going to be able to fix it. I'm just going to see if I can fix it. If I can, fine. If I can't, then, so be it. Should just have to buy another one. But I'm going to try and take this thing apart. I'm thinking it might be the belt. I could be wrong. You believe it or not, I have been wrong one time in my life. One time. And I can't even remember when that was. But we're going to find out if I can fix this or not. So y'all stay tuned. So this is a model. Let's see, it's a Shark. Let's see if I know the model here. Model UV 731. That's Shark model UV 700 space 31. So if you have this model and you have the same problem, maybe this will help you. I don't know much about this thing. I'm just gonna figure it out. You mean to tell me for 40 years she's been battling with this thing? Well, I just got it hooked up and now I'm gonna turn it on. Let's see if it works. Figure out how this thing dumps. Release wand. There we go. All right. I'm gonna turn this thing on. Either blowing and going, folks. That works. Handle release. I don't know which one's which. That's that part. Lift away. See the blowing and the going, folks. Look at that. Ha, fixed it. Ain't no way. So there you have it, folks. I fixed it. I can't believe it. Got it. But look at here. She said, my roller's not rolling. Look how thick that was wrapped around that roller. That's got to be at least 3/8, almost a half-inch thick. This is hair. Or it looks like dog hair. I mean, it's just like a mat. This right here, this piece here is at least 1/4 inch thick, and it was keeping that roller from rolling. The pickup roller, not the big roller, but the little pickup roller. Well, the pickup roller is tied to a belt that makes the big roller turn, so it wasn't turning. So, but I got it. So anyway, I'm just sitting out here enjoying the beautiful sunshine It's nice and cool out here. Got the hummingbirds coming to the feeder right there. See right there, the hummingbirds coming. You hear them. It make a pretty neat little sound. And I'm out here. This is my father-in-law's water garden. He runs that during the summer, or she runs it now during the summer. And I'm just sitting out here enjoying the flowers. And decided to work on her vacuum cleaner. So just a little time out here in Oregon. It's been really nice. Of course, every day except for today, maybe. It has been raining every single day, almost all day. Now I see why they call them the Oregon Ducks. It's just constant rain. So now that we have no rain, I'm taking advantage of it. But listen, folks, appreciate you guys, love you guys, and can't wait to see you on the next one. From Oregon, bye.